Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2019 GMC Terrain and I will show you which fuses to check in case your blower motor is not working. This video will apply to GMC Terrains made from 2018 all the way up to 2024. Now the main symptom of blower motor not working is there is no air coming from the vents at all. So it doesn't matter which speed you set, there is no air coming at all. If your blower motor works at only specific speed, then your problem is blower motor resistor, not the blower motor itself. Just something to keep in mind. Blower motor fuses will be located in a small fuse box under the steering wheel in the passenger's cabin. It's gonna be just behind this cover. To remove the cover, you'll have two black tabs, one here, one on the other side. You want to press them at the same time and pull down. Okay. On the back side of this cover, you also have a small fuse diagram. Okay, now the first and the main fuse you want to check, it's a fuse number F4, which is a 40 amp fuse located down here. Okay, and the second fuse worth checking is fuse number F33, which is a 10 amp red fuse located just here. If both of these fuses prove to be good, then you'll have to dig a bit deeper. First you'll have to test if the power is coming to the blower motor by using a multimeter. If it is, then the blower motor failed. If it's not, then you're having a wiring issue. Thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.